The 2026 AH-64E Apache Guardian represents the pinnacle of modern attack helicopter design, combining lethal firepower, cutting-edge avionics, and battlefield survivability into one dominant platform. Manufactured by Boeing, this latest evolution of the iconic Apache line is purpose-built for future warfare, tailored to meet the demands of multi-domain operations and increasingly complex combat environments. The AH-64E is equipped with upgraded General Electric T700 GE701D engines that deliver more power, higher speed, and better performance in high altitude and hot weather conditions. A redesigned composite rotor system boosts agility and maneuverability, allowing the helicopter to operate in tight combat zones while maintaining a stable weapons platform. One of the key technological advancements is its integrated MTADS/PNVS targeting and night vision system, offering superior infrared resolution, laser designation, range finding, and autonomous target tracking. The 2026 model continues to carry an array of advanced weaponry, including the AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, Hydra 70 rockets, and the new Joint Air-to-Ground Missile, JAGM, offering precision strike capabilities against tanks, bunkers, light armor, and enemy positions. The 30mm M230 chain gun remains a powerful asset for close air support and urban operations. Thanks to improved wing hardpoints, the helicopter can carry more diverse payloads than ever before, and even operate air-to-air weapons for defense against enemy drones or rotary wing threats. What truly separates the 2026 AH-64E is its ability to operate as a battlefield command node. Using Link 16 and Blue Force tracker systems, it communicates seamlessly with other aircraft, ground forces, and command centers, offering a live stream of tactical data. The 2026 version also places a huge emphasis on survivability. With improved radar and infrared threat detection systems, the aircraft automatically deploys countermeasures like flares, chaff, and electronic jamming to defend itself from heat-seeking and radar-guided missiles. The cockpit is armored with ballistic protection for both pilot and co-pilot, while the airframe has been enhanced for crash survivability. An advanced fly-by-wire system with automatic terrain following features and collision avoidance capabilities reduces pilot workload and increases safety during low-altitude, high-speed operations. The 2026 Apache Guardian isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in rotary wing combat capability. It's designed to dominate not just current battlefields but the conflicts of the next 20 years. It represents a dramatic shift from traditional attack helicopters by emphasizing network connectivity, data fusion, and multi-role adaptability. Whether it's leading a frontline assault, supporting ground troops with precision strikes, or operating as an airborne command center during coordinated joint force operations, the Apache continues to redefine what's possible in air.